Hey, it's Matt. Hey, and this week we have another Freebie Friday. I'm here with my little puppy, Lulu, and she wanted to be part of this Freebie Friday as well. But this week, I decided to give away, we have a guide on rehabbing houses for beginners. Now, the reason I'm giving that away is I get a lot of questions from people asking about, hey, what's the best? If you're new, what is the best possible houses that I should rehab in order to avoid as many problems as possible and make the maximum amount of money? Well, we do have a guide I created on exactly that. And so I'm going to give that away for free this week. You guys can grab it. Typically, I don't give that away unless you buy my renovation manual. Now, if you have my renovation manual, amazing. I've done over 2,000 rehabs, and I created that renovation manual for my team because I stepped away from going to the office quite a while ago, and I wanted to make sure that all my team could run all of the rehabs without me. So I created this renovation manual. Somebody hit me up and asked me if they could buy it once. I said no, and then I changed my mind over time. So my renovation manual teaches you how to do a rehab in 45 days, how to avoid all the pitfalls, how to build scopes of work, how to build really cool blueprints of your property really fast and easy. And one of the biggest things I with doing 2,000 rehabs, if you ask any single rehabber that's done enough deals, they're going to tell you that one of the biggest issues they ran into was getting taken advantage of by bad contractors. There's a lot of contractors out there that are professionals that are really good at taking your money. So, in the course of a couple thousand rehabs, I've been taken advantage of as well. And every time I built a system around making sure that never happens again. So I've got some really cool ways to avoid getting taken advantage of. Typically, somebody buys my renovation manual, it could save them tens of thousands of dollars. It's pretty scary if you talk to enough people how much money they've lost. But on the good side is just being able to do a rehab in 45 days, save thousands of dollars off of not doing it incorrectly. It's a very valuable book. But anyway, this week for Freebie Friday, I'm giving you my Rehabbing Houses for Beginners guide, and you'll know exactly which houses to go after. So have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.